Today we have Sony's digital voice recorder. This is an amazing little gadget that can help you solve a lot of your issues in regards to your school, work, and even productivity. So let's check it out.
3, 2, 1.
My job requires constant writing and getting down idea, and when I go to school, I've been using my iPhone voice recorder to record the voice of my professors with their permission, and then when I come home, I draw them down, I take the memo out and I listen to it and I complete my note to have perfect flawless note that has everything inside of it covered. But my phone is not practical at all time because it doesn't. Sometimes when I get a call or when I'm listening to the audio, I can't do anything else, and I can't just play it in background while I'm doing other things. So I need a dedicated device that can help me record audio during my class. And so I was looking around and I found this Sony UX560. This is a small voice recorder that doesn't require any battery, doesn't require any charger. You don't have to put a SD card in it. You could just directly connect it to your computer and it just works perfectly. So without further ado, let's open it up and let's see what we have. Looking at the box, it comes in a really simple packaging, nothing special about it. But right in the front, they showcase the recorder itself, and it doesn't look bad. It's actually really slim, and just like any other Sony product, you know it's gonna feel and look nice. So we're gonna take it out and see what we have inside of the package. A cardboard package, nothing fancy, cheap cardboard that they use. Again, this is not expensive. You could find it around $80. I'm gonna link it down below. The price for it fluctuates, but I recommend checking on it periodically since they go on sale usually all the time. So we have the limited warranty, instructional manual, consumer warranty, nothing that you need. All of these are pretty much redundant. And we have the actual recorder itself. Again, nothing fancy comes in this box, but this recorder, this is tiny. I mean, look at my hand and look at this recorder. This is really small and it feels solid. Also, if you are doing production video or if you are doing something that requires crisp audio, you have an option to connect your external mic to it, lavalier that being, or even your professional microphone, and record internally. And if you want to listen to your audio, it has speaker that you could listen to it just like this, or you could add your headphones to it and listen to your audio, or even monitor your audio as you're recording. Again, right in the front we have a couple of buttons. We have the record, we have the stop, up, down, forward, rewind, play, home, back, T mark to mark down your track, and the option. Right in the side we have the USB dongle, actual actuator that when you press it, it actually comes up and you could easily stick it inside of your computer without any hassle. Right next to that you have volume up, volume down, and a solid power hold button. In the other side, again, although this has an 8 gig memory slot, but you have the option of adding your own memory card. On the top, we have multi-directional microphone that picks up the audio from multi-direction, which is really nice. And right in here, we have the actual screen of this little device. Again, I can't emphasize on how small this device is, and I love it. So let's turn it on. Let's hope it has battery. So pushing it down, can I see it? And it does have battery. So right off the bat, it comes to the recording option. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but let's record a sample audio. This is a test. We are testing the microphone's ability to record audio. This is only a test and will be used for that purpose only. And that's it, so let's listen to it. This is a test. We are testing the microphone's ability to record audio. This is only a test and will be used for that purpose only. So the quality is actually really nice. I like the quality and I like the ability that I don't have to change the battery. I could just simply charge this without any problem. And how you may ask you are charging this? Basically just take the USB out and plug it into a USB adapter, and just like that, you are charging it. So it's really simple, really easy, intuitive. I like the design of it. You don't have to have any other extra cable hauling around with you, and it just works perfect. I think it's a great little device. It's small, it's compact, and to be honest, it feels good just holding it in hand because of its shape and of its size. Anyway, small short review of this little Sony recorder. Let me know, do you guys use this recorder? Do you think having a recorder is redundant and you don't need it? And let's share our thoughts down below.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Click, listen, enjoy.